So now this is where the fun begins, because once you have that done, you're kind of done there. So once you have it installed, you then need to go in and again, you need to get your GitHub admin sit down with you, or somebody's got to make you a GitHub admin. But you're going to come into the GitHub for Atlassian app, and you will click on this Get Started button. And then that's going to redirect you to where you're going to basically tell it where's your code at, right? So anyway, so you'll come in here, you'll click configure, and then you'll basically, it'll ask you to, it automatically pops you into GitHub, and it's automatically going to say, okay, where are your stuff at, right? What repos you want to bring over. You hit accept, approve, all the good stuff, and then Git is now connected with your organization. So now this is where the fun begins, because once you have that done, you're kind of done there. It does take a minute though to sync, especially if you have large repositories. So maybe do it overnight or something, so it's ready for you to go in the morning. But then the instructions aren't very clear on what you do next. I don't understand why Atlassian pushed this product to production, and you can't, like, I got to get out of Jira and come back into Jira for this to work, and this is not.
Oh, this
I
has been
personally,
happening for a little bit, right?
and everybody hates me for hating the new UI, but when it's
Mhm.
broken like this, it's kind of hard not to hate it. So what you do next then is you go into your Jira and you find your story, right? Whatever your developer is going to be working on. And then there's a development section on the right-hand side of your Jira interface. And so from within here, you're going to be able to create your branches. You're going to be able to create commits. You can either click on the buttons, or if you hover and click over here on the right-hand side, you get the actual command. So you can do this whether you're in your terminal, whether you're in Visual Studio Code, or
Yeah.
your favorite
You,
IDE
you,
of
you
choice,
can copy this and drop down to a terminal.
whatever you want, or you can just click the button. Like as soon as you have the key, so in case you missed it, because we didn't call it out, for the integration to work, you need the work item key
Mhm.
to be anywhere in the branch, or anywhere in your PR, or anywhere in your commit.
In your comment.
So it just needs to be in there somewhere. As
Mhm.
long as it's in there, then Bob's your uncle.